If there is one brand that never plays it safe, it is DOUBLEt. The Tokyo-based label is known for turning footwear into conversation pieces, and its latest collaboration with Asics pushes that idea even further. This time, DOUBLEt transforms the Gel Quantum 360 into a bold prehistoric-inspired design that instantly stands out. The sneaker is built on Asics Performance Runner from the 2010s, featuring full-length visible gel cushioning for comfort and impact absorption. DOUBLEt simplifies the upper and wraps it in a leather shell highlighted by a large Tyrannosaurus Rex graphic. The dinosaur eyes stretch across the sides, while the nostrils move toward the toe, giving the shoe a playful character-like look. From the side, the segmented gel midsole resembles sharp teeth, reinforcing the theme in a clever way. A textured red detail connects the upper and sole for added depth. Even the special box follows the concept, making this release feel complete, wearable, and unmistakably DOUBLEt.